I love and accept myself. I'm a magnet of friends. I easily attract perfect friends. I'm a positive match for attracting an amazing friend. I'm good enough to be loved as a good friend. I'm free to express my true self in the presence of my friends. You make me a better person. You are enough. All my friendships are enjoyable and positive. I help others to feel good about themselves. Every week, my circle of friends expands. I choose my friends wisely. Their perspective, my friends want to see me as often as I want to see them. I laugh out loud with my friends. I attract like-minded people into my life. My friends allow me the freedom to be who I truly am. I have deep connections with my friends. My friends are a source of happiness in my life. I trust myself, I trust life, and I trust my friends. Every day I'm open to meeting new friends. I'm worthy of friendship and companionship. I attract friends who bring me a great joy. I easily attract perfect friends. I'm a positive match for attracting an amazing friend. I love spending time with my friends. I'm honest with my friends, and they are honest with me. I believe in myself, and so does everyone surrounding me. I attract friends easily because people like me. I'm friends with beautiful and great people. I attract fun and positive people into my life. I deserve to have positive, fulfilling relationships. I create long-lasting friendships by always being there for my friends. I enjoy choosing my friends. I feel comfortable around new people. I can talk to groups of people calmly and confidently. I get on well with everyone I meet. I have friends who take care of me and support me. I enjoy the company of my closest friends. Everyone loves my friendship and fellowship. I have a positive vibe that attracts a positive tribe. I'm attracting wonderful souls into my life. My friends and I can always rely on each other. I choose to have a healthy relationship. I'm good enough to have great friends. I let go of toxic relationships easily. My friendships are an important part of my life. I can safely tell my friend everything. I develop intimate relationships with good friends. It's a fulfilling feeling to have a best friend. My friend circle expands every day. I precisely know what I am looking for in a best friend. I know my best friend appears in my life at the perfect time. Having a best friend is a priority of me. I find joy in being a good friend to people I love. I love my friends, even though they are not perfect. My friends and I always create time for seeing each other. I'm always energized and inspired after I meet my friends. I bring joy to my friends. attract kind, warm, and friendly people into my life. I allow myself and those around me to be imperfect. I feel confident while I am talking to new people. Having many friends is a top prize in my life. Having close friends is an essential part of my life. All my relationships are meaningful and life-enhancing. All my friendships are meaningful and rewarding. All my relationships are harmonious and supportive now. I listen to those around me to understand their perspective. Please let me know what you think about this video. Comment below and I will definitely respond to it. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss ours on our future videos. Click the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Thank you, and I will talk to you in the following video.